Master a high taper in under 1 minute. Start with your lever open. With the lever midway, we're going to go up midway up this section, erasing the line. And with the lever closed, we're going to just flick out that last line, making sure we get a blurry transition. And with our number 3, we're going to set our foundation. With our half guard lever open, we're going to create about a 1/2 inch section. With the lever midway, we're going to go ahead and go up midway up this section and keep repeating the steps. And with the lever closed, we're going to make sure we hit the line underneath. With my 1.5 guard, we're going to go up about another 1.5 inches, trying to flick out, and I'll create another guideline. With my 1 lever open, we're going to hit the dark spots we see, going below our previous guideline. And with our 0 guard, we're going to continue hitting the dark spots until we have a gradual blend. With some thinning shears and lining him up around the ear will give you the best result, making sure you're going back with your half and just flick out any dark spots and using your full shaver. If you want a one-on-one barber class in Los Angeles or you want to book an appointment, click the link in the bio. Thank you, fam.